Hello everyone. Computer architecture and annotation. Important MCQ. First question. The dash format is usually used to store data. Option A. BCD format. Next question. The 8-bit encoding format needs to store data in the computer is option B. EBCDIC is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. A source program is usually in dash. Option C. High level language. Which memory device is generally made of semiconductors? Option A. RAM. The small, extremely fast RAM are called option A. Cache. Cache is the correct answer. The ALU makes use of option A. Accumulator to store intermediate result. Option A is the correct answer. Accumulator. The ALU makes use of accumulator to store the intermediate results. Next question. The control unit controls other units by generating dash. Option B. Timing signals. Option B is the correct answer. Timing signals. Next question. Dash or number and encoded characters generally used as operands. Option B. Data or numbers and encoded characters. Option B is the correct answer. Data. The input device can send information to the processor. The input device can send information to the processor. Option A. When the SIN status flag is set. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. Dash bus structure is usually used to connect I/O devices. Option A. Single bus is the correct answer. Single bus structure is usually used to connect I/O devices, input-output devices. The input-output interface, I/O interface required to connect the I/O devices to the bus consists of option C. Address decoder, register, and control circuits. Option C is the correct answer. To reduce the memory access time, we generally make use of option D. Cache. Next question. Dash is generally used to increase the apparent size of physical memory. Option B. Virtual memory is the correct answer. Virtual memory is generally used to increase the apparent size of physical memory. MFS stands for option B. Memory function complete is the correct answer. Memory function complete. MFS. MFC. Memory fine. Option B. MFC. Memory function complete. The time delay between two successive initiation of memory operation. Option C. Memory cycle time. Option C is the correct answer. The decoder instruction is stored in option A. IR. The instruction add LOCA or on disk. Option C is the correct answer. As the value of both LOCA and R0 and storage R0. Option C is the correct answer. Which register can interact with secondary storage? Option A. MAR. During the execution of program which gets initiated first. Option C. PC is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the register of the processor is connected to memory bus? Option B. MAR. Next question. ISP stands for option A. Instruction set processor. ISP stands for instruction set processor. Internal component of the processor are connected by option B. Processor bus. Dash is used to choose between incrementing the pre-C or performing ALU operations. Option B. Multiplexer is the correct answer. The register ALU and the interconnection between them collectively called as option D. Data path. Dash is used to store data in register. Option A. D flip-flop. D flip-flop is the correct answer. Option A. During the execution of the instruction, a copy of instruction is placed in option D is the correct answer. Cache. Two processors A and B have clock frequencies of 700 MHz and 900 MHz respectively. Suppose a execute instruction with average of 3 steps. B can execute with the average step of 5 steps. For the execution of the same instruction, which processor is faster? Option A. A processor performing fetch or decoding of different instruction during the execution of another instruction is called option B pipelining. For a given finite number of instructions to be executed, which architecture of the processor provides for a faster execution? Option C superscalar is the correct answer. The clock rate of the processor can be improved by option D, all of the mentioned. Improving the IC technology of the logic circuit, reducing the amount of processing done in the one step by using the overclocking method, and optimizing compiler does. Option B takes advantage of the type of processor and reduces its process time. The ultimate goal of compiler is to option A reduce the clock cycle for a programming task. Option A is the correct answer. SPEC stands for option C System Performance Evaluation Corporation. Option C is the correct answer. SPEC stands for System Performance Evaluation Corporation. When performing a looping operation, the instruction gets stored in option B cache. Option B is the correct answer, cache. The average number of steps taken to execute the set of instructions can be made to less than one by following option C superscaling. If your processor clock is rated to 1250 million cycles per second, then its clock period is option D 1.25 into 10 to the power minus 10 seconds. Option D is the correct answer, 8 into 10 to the power minus 10 seconds. Option D is the correct answer, 8 into 10 to the power minus 10 seconds. If the instruction add R1, R2, R3 is executed in the system that pipeline, then the value of S is where S is the term of basis performance equations. Option C 1. Option C is the correct answer. CISC stands for option C complex instruction set computer. Complex instruction set computer. As of 2000, the reference system of the as a 2000 reference system to find the SPEC rating are building with dash processor. Option B Ultra SPARC 300 MHz. Option B is the correct answer, Ultra 300 MHz processor. The instruction option B is the correct answer. Add 45 to value of R1 and store it on 1. Option B is the correct answer. Next question. In the case of zero address instruction method, the operands are stored in dash. Option C push down stack is the correct answer. Add 45 when this instruction is executed. The following happens. Option B, the value stored in memory location 45 is retrieved and one more operand is requested. Next question. The addressing mode which makes use of indirection pointer is option A. Indirect addressing is the correct answer. Indirect addressing mode. Option A is the correct answer. In the following index addressing mode, instruction move or R1. LOC in the effectiveness addresses is option D is the correct answer. EA equal to 5 plus R1. If the following indexed address mode instruction move 5 R1, LOC effective address is option D. EA equal to 5 plus R1. Option D is the correct answer. Next question. The addressing modes which uses the PC inside of a general purpose register. Option B. Relative. When we use auto increment or auto decrement, which of the following is or true? Option D 2, 3. Option D 2, 3. In 2, 3 in auto increment the 2, 3 in auto increment the operand is retrieved first and then address altered. Third, 3 both of them can be used on general purpose register as well as memory locations. The addressing modes where you directly specify the operand values is option A immediate is the correct answer. The effective address of the following instruction, option C, 5 plus R1 plus R2 is the correct answer. Dash addressing mode is most suitable to change the normal sequence of execution of instructions. Option A, relative addressing mode is most suitable to change the normal sequence of execution of instructions. The ascending order or data hierarchy is option D. The ascending order or data hierarchy is option D is the correct answer. Bit, bytes, field, record, file, database. Bit, bytes, field, record, file, database. Option D is the correct answer. All the questions are very important. Just to learn all the questions. Just when we use auto increment or auto decrement, which of the following is true? Option 2 and 3 are correct answer. In auto increment, the operand is retrieved first and then address altered. 3. Both of them can be used on general purpose register as well as memory locations. In addressing mode, which uses the PC instead of general purpose register is indexed. Option B is the correct answer. Both indexed with offset and direct. Option B is the correct answer. Relative. The addressing modes which uses the PC instead of general purpose register is option B, relative. In the following indexed addressing modes, instruction move 5R1 LOC, the effective address is option EA. D is the correct answer. EA equal to 5 plus R1. The addressing modes which makes use indirection pointer is option A, indirect addressing mode. The value stored in memory location. Add 45 when this instruction is executed, the following happens. Option B, the value stored in memory location 45 is rated and one more operand is requested.